Hey guys, my name is Mani and welcome to a series on React from basic to advanced. In this series, we will start from basic concepts in React and move towards advanced level and learn the different concepts in React. In this video, you will going to get the overview of React structure. Let's quickly have a look at the architecture and you will understand why choosing React is a good choice. React has a component based architecture. This lets you break down your application into small encapsulated parts which can then be composed to make more complex UIs. For example, a traditional website can be broken into a header, side nav, main content and a footer. Each section represents a component which then can be combined in a right way to create a more complex UI. As React has a component based architecture, its components also helps us to write reusable code. For example, you can have a component on blog in one news. That same component can be used on a blog on other several news by simply passing data to the blog component. For being a good developer, there must be ability to reuse code and avoid redundancy in a code. Another key point is React is declarative. Now, what does that mean? We just have to tell the React what we want, and due to its declarative behavior, React with its React DOM library will build the actual UI. Now, this is in contrast with the imperative paradigm. You are usually used to which implements algorithm in explicit way. Let's understand with the example. You go to an architecture and draw the map for your house. You ask the architecture and he did the job done for you. Now same you go to a common man for map of your house, but this time you explain every single detail you want, like you should have dining room, hall, bedroom, kitchen. You explicitly specified each thing you want and you control the map of your house. This is what imperative paradigm. This is why it's important to understand that React is declarative. You just have to tell the React what does UI looks like and React create the UI for you. React will make painless for you to build the complex UI by removing the difficult parts. React will efficiently handle the updating and re-rendering of the right components when your data changes. DOM operations handled carefully and gracefully. Now what does it mean? DOM update, which is more expensive operation, is handled very nicely by React. So that's it for this video guys. Let's meet in next video to learn more about React. You can always comment for any doubts and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.